My presentation in English. My name is William Mina. Good morning, every day. I am Maureen. I am 45 years old. I am from Cali, Valle del Cauca. I live in Bucaramanga. I have a 14 years old daughter, man Jennifer. I student system engineering. Our last trip with the family was to the Valle del Cauca. We went with my wife, my daughter, and my mother. We are all in Cali. The weather is wild, hot, excited. We met my cousin and uncles. In Marin, we went to several places: Milagroso of Buga, Cristo Rey, and Puerto Tejada. We traveled through home beautiful Heinz was our three last 2 years finished the trip with return Bucaramanga. Two recommendations to go to Cali: yearly close because of the hot water warning subgulches. Exit finished its trip. Goodbye.